Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So guys, since I bought this car, to be honest, this wiper never worked well. Sometimes it works like one step move and sometimes simply don't work. But since I have my covers out because I fixed my third brake light, so guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove this motor and probably how to replace, because to be honest, I don't know what is going on. What I'm gonna do right now is to remove the motor and see if the problem is the motor or not. If it's the motor, I will have to buy another one. So if my problem is the motor, probably this will be recorded in different days because I have to buy another one. So guys, let's go. So guys, I disassembled the motor and I realized that the rotor, it's like, I don't know what happened. So guys, I will not spend a lot of time with this. I will just buy another one, probably a used one, and install. So guys, this video will continue for me in another day, for you in a few seconds. So guys, I bought another motor. They are not exactly the same, but I believe it will work. This is the original one that was installed in the car. As you can see, there is an A right here. The part number is the same, but this letter, I believe that is something related with options, a pin out or something, I'm not sure. And this one have the letter B. I'm not sure what is the difference, but let's test and see if this works. Oh, nice, it's working. Cool. Since the motor is working, I will assemble everything to see if everything is working as it should be. Let's go. So guys, one last problem in the Audi. So guys, this motor was not new. I bought used it, but it's working perfectly. All I need to do is to find the right cover for this sprayer, because the previous one don't have this sprayer. Someone deleted for some reason. But I want to keep this, so I need to find the right part for this. Guys, the job is done, and guys, as usual, see you soon, stay tuned.